thank you for your cooperation. Nowadays, I would like to tell you how to install the machine and operation. And this one is about our Hifu 2-in-1 Hifu facelifting and vaginal tighter machine. And now you can see this. This is the handle of the Hifu facelifting. And we also have the standard 3 treatment health for the Hifu facelifting, 4.5, and the 3.0, also the 1.5. And then you can see the handle. This one is for the vaginal tighter. Also 2 treatment health for the vaginal, and the 3.0 and the 4.5. Now you can see this handle. This handle is for the facelifting, and this one is for the vaginal. I'm sorry how to connect it, and you can see the connector. This one corresponds to this. And tighten the handle. Okay. And also this one is for the vaginal analyzer. Now we can connect the power light and turn the power switch, the working screen. And this one is for the facelifting. This one for the vaginal tighten, which is the facelifting. If we do not install the handle, it will have the arm. We choose the 4.5. Here we install the 4.5. And before the operation, we should clean the face of the customer. Clean the face of the customer. And then use the pen to write lines of the facelifting. Okay, we use this face. Okay, we can start from the nail. Also for this part, we should not operate. Avoid this part for the error. And the distance between the one by one is this to the it is displays the distance of the handle of the treatment house, and you can see. And for the face. For this part, we cannot operate. and this one is the same as this one. We should adjust the parameter of the scale. And this one is the handle, the observe of the handle 4.5, and this one is the receipt, is the shoes of the machine. And now the light, the total. And then this one we should adjust to 25, the length 25. And for this one we start from 0.5, and this is according to the customer's feeling. You can add, this one is the most, the bigger. Okay, we adjust, start from 0.5. The dread. Before the operation, we also, after the lights, we also cover the dread. Parameter we touch the ready, and then the handle is working. And this button is the working button. Yes, get close the face. Stop. And then get close to the skin, and then turn this button. And then move one by one. And then for this, also turn the button and move one by one. Then for this part, also the same, one by one. Okay. One by one, and for the form. And the 1.5 is for the eye lifting. Okay, now we can start and turn on the vaginal tighten. Just this one. And for vaginal tighten, we also have the treatment house. And then we choose the 4.5. Install the handle. Also corresponds the connector. Okay, after it's done. And then we adjust the parameter. This one we adjust to 3050, and this we adjust to 5 or so 5 to 8. It is okay. And this one 25. Also this one 1.2. And the energy we suggest start from 0.4. And this is the switch order used. And also this is the switch order out of the machine. And for this part, you can save the customer's parameter. This for the sterilize. The sterilize for the to analyze the measurements of the customers. This one is the condom, and before the operation, we should sterilize this analyzer and then cover the condom. Okay, finish it. And this one apply to the vagina of the customer. Guess this one is the vagina, and then put into. Guess this one is the vagina, and put it to the vagina, and then use this to adjust. Now you can see the parameter. Now you can see the parameter, and then save. Okay, you can back to the screen for operation. After the analyze, we start the operation, and then cover the drape of the handle. Also, before the use the handle, we should sterilize by the medical actor. Use the common. Pardon. Okay, finish. After covering the condom, we adjust the screen alternate, and then guess this one is the vagina, and put inside about 1,000, not 100. Okay, and we get started. Ready, and start. Turn the star, and then turn this button. Yeah, it is working, and then see. If moved automatically. You see it is working. This is the vaginal. And also the screen. You can see the screen. 5 angle and move. 5 after 5 and move. Only one treatment if you remove the handle as before. Okay, now also guess this one is the vaginal, and then you put it is 100 before, and then move to 75. Also toward the button, and after the treatment, and then move to the 50. Okay, three times after treatment it is okay. And if for the customers the length of the vaginal is so big, and you also can apply the other treatment health of the 3.0. Now it is okay for after operation. Thank you.